गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सक्सेस इंजीनियरिंग ऑफिशियल। आज हम देखेंगे चिल्ड वाटर पाइप डिजाइन एंड साइजिंग विद वेलोसिटी प्लस फ्रिक्शन मेथड। As I told you, there are two methods, so I already made the video for pipe sizing with velocity method in manual calculation using a standard chart for manual calculation. Now we will see the velocity plus reduction velocity plus friction method using pipe sizer for software calculation. Using pipe sizer is software calculation. Okay. So in the actual practice, actually we are using the software. You can see here. This is a duct sizer tools. Pipe sizer tools. So you can see here, this is the pipe sizer tools by Macway pipe sizer program. So in the actual practice, we are using to design the chilled water pipe sizing with this software. So velocity plus friction method, there are two conditions. If you see here, this condition one is if the pipe size dia is less than equal to 2 inch, then velocity will be less than equal to 4 fps. If pipe dia is more than 2 inch, then do not check this velocity, just check this friction less than equal to 4 feet per 100 feet. So this condition will be fulfilled in your pipe sizing. Okay, so let's start now. So before I start this video को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को दबा लें ताकि अगले आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम फॉर रूफ पाइपिंग यहाँ से कॉपी कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे टू chilled water pipe sizing or designing using Macway pipe sizer program. Okay, method velocity plus friction. Okay, so a roof piping if you see here, roof piping A to B, this pipe from A to B. Actually this roof pipe is A to A1, but we consider up to here A to B because the pipe dia is and GPM flow is everything is same. That's why you consider from A to B. So from A to B, GPM how much? GPM is equal to 1440. Velocity equal to 10 fps. 10 fps is recommended for roof piping. So what will be the pipe dia? Calculate pipe dia and friction HF1 at loss 1. Okay, so let me open this pipe sizer program. So in the pipe sizer you have to put this GPM first. Okay, in 40 you can see this verify this velocity is 1520 and head loss is 70,000 more than this feet per 100 feet. So this is too much. So just change this pipe size. what we will do, just change this pipe size. I'm checking with 2 inch, so if I'm changing this 2 inch, so in this pipe sizes, first of all you have to set this schedule. There are different schedule is given. So our pipe is generally for chilled water pipe schedule 40 steel. After that you have to check with this, change this pipe size. For example, I am taking 2 inch. So you see for the 2 inch the US GPM is starting from 35. So again I am checking with 4 inch. So see, the GPM is changing 208. 208 verify this velocity. This pipe size is more than 4 inch. That means your second condition. Condition 2, pipe dia is more than greater than 2 inch, then velocity should not exceed 4 feet per 100 feet. So if you see here this 4 inch, then what will be the velocity? Put here GPM, put in 40. See, this head loss is 103. That means you need to increase the pipe dia. Okay, checking with 6 inch. So from the 6 inch GPM is starting from 617. So just put the GPM here 1440 and verify the head loss. You see this head loss is 12.6 feet per 100 feet. That means you need to further increase the pipe size. I'm checking with 8 inch. So for 8 inch you can see here 1275 GPM starting. Just put here GPM, your GPM 1440 and then verify the head loss 3.158. That means this is less than equal to 4 feet. That means this is acceptable. So pipe size will be your pipe size will be 8 inch and head loss will be 3.15 feet per 100 feet. Okay, so just note it here. .158 feet. So pipe size is 8 inch. 3.15 feet per 100 feet. Okay. Now for riser piping, for riser B to C. Riser B to C. For riser piping B to C. GPM is 840 and velocity is, you see here GPM is 840 and velocity is 7 fps. So 7 fps. Then we need to calculate the pipe size and head loss. You just put this flow GPM here. So check with 6 inch, 4 inch first check. So put here GPM. GPM is 840. Verify the head loss. See, the head loss is 35. That means you need to further increase the pipe size. Again put the GPM 840. So again this head loss is more than 4 feet. So again you have to increase this pipe size. Again put the GPM here. See, 4.49. Again you need to increase. That means 4.49. You should increase the pipe size again. 840. Your head loss is 1.13. Pipe size is 8 inch. And head loss is 1.13 feet per 100 feet. Okay, this pipe sizer is accurate actually. So in the actual practice we are using this pipe sizer, but in the manual calculation there should be some difference. Okay, when you see this B2C for the manual calculation, this in the manual calculation, this friction head loss is 1.8 feet and pipe size is 8 inch, and here is also 1.13 and pipe size is 8 inch. That means this pipe sizer is accurate, so you have to always use this pipe sizer. Manual calculation is just for concept. Okay, so for riser B2C, riser piping B2C, we have calculated the pipe size and head loss. The next C is C, just copy paste C, pipe size C to D, C to D. GPM is equal to, you can see here, C to D, here C to D GPM is equal to 360 and velocity is 7 fps. So 360 here, 360, velocity is 7 fps. We need to calculate this pipe size and friction head loss. Just put it here GPM 360 and verify this head loss. That means this 0.2, we check with 6 inch, 360. Let's check with 4 inch. 4 inch. If you see this 4 inch, your GPM is starting 208. So 360 is your GPM. See, this head loss is 7 feet per 100 feet. That means you need to increase the pipe size 5 inch, 360. So this is acceptable. So pipe size, if 6 inch is not, 5 inch is not available, so you can go for higher size. So 6 inch. Standard pipe is 6 inch, not 5 inch is not available, and head loss is 2.261 feet per 100 feet. Okay, if you see C to D here in the manual calculation, C to D in the manual calculation, this head loss is 2.8, pipe size is 6 inch. See, so this is the little bit late because this is the accurate. Pipe sizer is actually used in general actual practice. Okay. Now next is, if you see, the next is floor piping. Floor piping D to E. So floor piping D to E. Okay. D to E. What will be the GPM? GPM is 360 and velocity is 5 feet per 100 feet. Sorry, 5 fps. Then what will be the dia? So you have to check the dia from here. Just check from 4 inch and put this GPM here 360. So this head loss is 7 feet per 100 feet. That means you need to increase the pipe size. $360. Even you can see 360, this head loss is 2.261 and velocity you can see here 5.7 feet per 100 feet. So 5 fps, velocity also in the range, and head loss is, so 5 inch is not available, you go for the higher, so 6 inch, pipe size is 6 inch and head loss is 2.261. Head loss is same, 2.261. Okay, that means this is the HF1 and this is HF2, this is HF3. Actually head loss we need for pump head calculation, that's why I am noted here HF4. So this is the floor piping. Again you have to calculate this from you have to add this head loss from this machine. This will be given by supplier. Then you have to go again from reverse F to G is the roof piping. So let us calculate this F to G. So F to G floor piping, F to G, F to G. GPM is 360, velocity is 5 fps for floor piping, and then pipe size will be the same. Just copy paste because the GPM and velocity is same, so pipe size will be the same. Okay, now calculate this G to H. Okay, riser piping G to H, riser piping G to H. Riser piping G to H. What will be the GPM? Add this to G to H. G to H is the same because G to H only, so the flow is same. So it is the same from G to H. Just copy paste this one. This one, because this riser, no, so riser velocity is 7 fps. Copy paste here. Okay, and this value also copy paste here. Okay, then H is riser piping G to H, then H to I. What will be the velocity and GPM? H to I. Riser piping H to I. Okay, just copy. GPM is 840, so GPM is 840, and velocity is 7 fps. 7 fps. Pipe dia will be the same, 8 inch. So this is the 8 inch, and head loss is, you can copy from here, 848, and head loss is 1.13. H, and then I is equal to riser roof piping I to J. Okay, I to J, roof piping I to J, roof piping I to J. GPM will be GPM will be the same, 840. Just add this to 600 plus 480, then 360. So 360 plus 480 plus 360, then 480, then 600. So 1440. Okay, here GPM will be 1440, and pipe size, velocity will be 10 fps, and pipe dia will be the 8 inch. Just copy this one, paste it here, and head loss is, you can see here, the riser piping B to C, A to B here. Head loss is 3.15. Paste it here. So 3.15. Okay. Then your next will be the K to L. Head loss from the pump will be given by the supplier. So K to L. What will be the pipe size? piping K to L. Your GPM will be the same, and just copy paste, because GPM will be the 1440 and velocity is 10 fps. Then what will be the pipe size? It will be the same. Okay, this pipe size will be the same because the velocity and GPM is same, it will be the same. So this is how we calculate this pipe sizing, and how we design the chill water pipe size using Macway pipe sizer program in the actual practice. So I hope you guys learn from this video. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को दबा लें, ताकि अगले आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. और नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल में हम देखेंगे पंप हेड कैलकुलेशन. So with the same riser diagram we will see how this what will be the pump head and what will be the critical root. So in the fan selection there will be the critical root. So in the to select the fan we are looking for the critical path and or longest path. Here also in the pump head calculation we are looking for the critical or longest path. So in this you can see here, critical path is this one. Okay, your pump is push the water up to this last HU and again return back to the system. Okay, so this how to calculate this pump head we will see in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.